This KODYRU Dog Gate with cat door stands about 30 inches tall and offers an adjustable span that covers a wide range of standard doorways, hallways, and stair openings, making it versatile for different parts of the home. The built-in small pet door is sized for most cats and smaller animals, allowing them to slip through comfortably while still keeping larger dogs on the other side. A pressure-mounted design means it goes up without drilling into walls or door frames, so renters and homeowners can install and remove it quickly without leaving damage. The walk-through panel swings in both directions and uses an automatic closing mechanism, so the gate reliably latches behind you instead of staying accidentally open. A dual locking system adds an extra layer of security that is easy for adults to operate, but helps prevent curious pets or young children from nudging the gate open. Metal construction combined with smooth, easy-to-wipe surfaces and a removable pet door insert makes the gate feel sturdy in daily use while still being straightforward to keep clean.